I'm sure Baba Ramdev welcomes your support, but does Baba Ramdev know that L.K. Advani flew down to Karnataka, shook hands with Yediyurappa, convinced him to keep the Chief Minister of Karnataka out of the ambit of the Lokpal bill, and flew back after having convinced him that the highest political office in a state, not the country, should not come under an independent ombudsman. That's why, Rajiv, I'm saying there's a contradiction there. But I want to go right now to G. Sampath, senior journalist of the DNA, who wrote an incredible piece on this whole subject. Why do you feel that the government is trying to sabotage the movement?
See, Baba Ramdev's biggest asset, if you look at it, is the fact that when Anna Hazare started his fast, he didn't know how many people would come to back him. He didn't know whether 500 would come, 200 would come. But Baba Ramdev has this asset whereby he can command thousands of followers who have basically surrendered their intelligence to this man to come and do whatever he wants them to do.
Is that a harsh comment that you're making there, saying surrender intelligence? They could be followers, they could believe. You'd make the same comment about Anna's supporters.
Okay. Let's say Baba Ramdev is a man who believes that homosexuality is a disease that can be cured by yoga and Ayurvedic medicine. This is the kind of man we're talking about. And to give the kind of treatment
but what does that have to do with his views on the issue of black money which is raised?
Because
you can see what kind of intelligence is sort of bringing to bear on this issue. I mean, you know the fact that what he has done now is to deflect the issue from the provisions of the Lokpal bill to whether this man is going to go on a fast, whether he's not going to go on a fast, what is his influence, what is his base. That has become the focus now. The primary issue wherein he came into the debate was whether the Prime Minister will be in or out of the Lokpal bill, whether the CJI will be in or out. That has now gone off the table. Now it's all about Baba Ramdev and this man and what he can do, what he cannot do. And my own understanding is that he is trying to project himself as a right-wing alternative to the BJP. Right now the only alternative to the BJP is a secular alternative to the Congress. But he wants to be a pan-Indian kind of right-wing alternative.
Now Kiran Bedi is listening to you tonight.
Yeah.
Kiran Bedi says, one sec, Sohail coming to you, I just want Kiran Bedi's response. Kiran Bedi says there is no difference. I mean, there is almost a different way in which all the members, Kiran Bedi, Justice Hegde, Prashant, everyone says on record there is no difference. What would you say to Kiran Bedi? Because you are saying there's an attempt to divide the movement.
Yeah, I would like to ask Kiran Bedi, if you are all in the same camp, why would one person, Baba Ramdev, speak out of tone, air his differences in the media instead of first sorting it out with his friends, and then having one spokesman present a united front against corruption against Lokpal bill? Why did he speak out of tone? Why is he hobnobbing with the Congress ministers out of tone? Why is he going off on a tangent? I would like an answer to that.
Arnab.
Kiran Bedi.
Oh, where do you see him going on tangent? Baba Ramdev is focusing on black money. Anna Hazare's movement is focusing on drafting of a Jan Lokpal bill. Both are two sides of the same coin, and the coin is anti-corruption. Now there is not what else Baba stands for is not our focus.
So tomorrow,
the fact is that he is raising the issue.
Why did he say? Why did Baba Ramdev say that the Prime Minister should not come under the Lokpal bill? Why did he say the Chief Justice should not come under the Lokpal bill? What was the need to say that at a crucial time? That has completely sort of taken the attention away from the provisions of the Lokpal bill. Till then, all the 5 civil society representatives were united. Yeah. He threw the seed of dissidence within that, dissonance.
No, I have a bigger point here.
The problem is.
Okay, let Ms. Bedi complete and then I come to you, Sohail. Yes, Ms. Bedi.
When you ask a question, at least allow the answer to come in. We've been sitting here for a couple of minutes, but that's valuable. The point is, let's not go what else Anna Hazare stands for and what else Baba Ramdev stands for. What could be a future for him, what could be not his future. I think that's not the issue for us who are neutral people who stand for India against corruption. For us, Baba Ramdev is raising a serious issue of corrupt money, which is another word for black money, while it is in India or it's gone overseas. Anna Hazare is asking for a legal setup. There are two sides of the same coin. That is why we are in this one voice. We've just come after meeting Baba, by the way. We've just come after Arvind Kejriwal and I have just come back to this program after meeting Baba. And once he understood, once he got the update of the committee, once he understood why this committee wants Prime Minister to the PM, it's Mantri to Santri. Why do we want the judiciary as a part of this Lokpal? I think it helped him understand the matters a little more.
Okay.
And now when you go back to him, Maybe he'll
Kiran-
give you a different view.
Okay, I want Sohail say to a question first before you finish.
My question to Kiran Bedi.
Okay.
On 27 February, you were all together, and from the same month, you were talking about Lokpal bill, anti-corruption, black money. Then what happened at that night when you formed this committee that Baba was not consulted?
Okay,
Baba
he's got the
felt
question.
ignored
Got the
and
question.
sidelined.
Respond.
In fact, Baba is the one who created the anti-corruption response here in the country.
Okay.
Arnab,
Sohail,
I
That's
just want
exactly.
to raise-
Baba was with you.
Sohail also has a question for you, Kiran Bedi. Go on, Sohail.
no, I don't have a question. I have a question for everyone. I just have a question for you and through you, the nation that you address every evening. My question is as follows. True, corruption is a big issue. So is black money. And I completely agree with Kiran that these are issues that should be parked. Malnutrition, female infanticide, farmer suicides are equally major issues, but they're not held in television studios, so they're not important for all of us. What if one person from each of these segments comes to Delhi and says that I want to go on a hunger strike until you guarantee A, B, C, or D? Are you going to run a country on the basis of this kind of politics?
No, my
or
question-
this
I have
kind
a
of
question for you,
systemic
Sohail.
change? You can't.
I have a question for
one
you,
minute.
Sohail.
It can't happen.
I have
so
a question for you.
here's my solution. Here's my solution rather than raise allegations about everyone.
No, but I have a question for you.
My solution is as follows. My solution is as follows. Kiran rightly said that Baba Ramdev and her group are completely seized with this issue. So I have a suggestion. Why doesn't Baba Ramdev and the Anna Hazare panel merge and talk about corruption as a larger issue of which black money stashed away in Swiss banks is mathematically and logically a subset? Because if you don't do this, civil society, media, and Mr. Vineet Narayan is absolutely right. The two groups will do injustice to themselves because people will divide and rule. And you don't want that. A, B, I've often criticized the government, I've often criticized politicians, but it takes a lot for 4 cabinet ministers to go to an airport and talk to a man who they know will not balk easily.
Okay.
So you've got to give
Sohail.
credit to the government where it's due as
Sohail,
well.
Sohail, Sampat's making a point. I think he's responding to the point you made. Yes,
Yeah,
Sampath.
see, I like to pose a simple question. If it is true as you want to argue, and as Kiran has tried to point out, that it's a united front against corruption, how do you explain the attitude of the Congress, of the UPA government towards Baba and towards vis-a-vis their attitude towards Anna, whom they have snubbed, and Baba, whom they are quoting? How do you explain this difference?
I really don't know who's been snubbed, who hasn't. It's the media which
You've been
says
watching
Anna
Times Now,
team
you
down, Baba team up. After June
No, you
5,
see,
it will
Sohail.
be Baba team down, Anna team
Sohail,
up.
here's the way
That is
people
what
are
I'm
looking at
objecting
it.
to.
Sohail, let me tell you.
But that's.
Let me
but
tell you,
Arnav,
here's the way some
Arnav,
people
I'm
are looking
saying
at it.
You are a nationalist. I'm a nationalist. All the people on this panel
Here's
are
the way.
nationalists. Do you actually want a nation to be divided and ruled on
but
basic
here's the way some
citizenry
people
issues?
are looking
I
at it.
don't. Do you want the nation to
you
be
are-
held to ransom? I don't.
You are-
I mean, it's bizarre.
Sohail.
You talk to normal people, they're laughing.
Sohail, whether the country is being held to ransom, let me first get a response from Rajiv Pratap Rudy. If you were in government, Mr. Rudy, would you like to be in this situation where you have a fast a day?
Well, I am not a spokesperson for the government or the.
If
or
you
the
were in
that
government.
I'm in government. The fact remains. Sohail said that if someone takes up an issue of farmers' death and other issues, it's a fact. If someone has a following, and here the people have a following of an individual who has certain belief, it's a great thing, and it's at the same time very difficult to have that. And if the basic today is a fight against corruption,
But
and
then
this
why
is
do you
what
have
Anna
a
Hazare
different
has taken
position in
up, and this is
Karnataka
what-
and a different position in Delhi? What if Baba
Well,
Ramdev were to, what if Baba Ramdev were to go to Bangalore and say, strengthen the Lokayukt and bring Yediyurappa under its purview?
I understand you have to balance your debate. I appreciate that point.
No, I'm asking you a question.
There is a surcharge. Why can't you understand certain things? If the Baba is taking against crusade against corruption, it is against corruption.
No,
It is
so
not
corruption
against
extends to
corruption, it's not corruption. Why?
Yediyurappa and the Lokayukt
Now, if
and the diluted Lokayukt in
yes,
Karnataka.
and that is exactly what I'm saying. So
Arnab,
here the people
Arnab,
are not
let me
talking
leave
about
you-
Karnataka.
let
It is
me
the
leave
media
you-
who is talking about Karnataka. What Baba is not
Let
talking
me leave
about
you with
Karnataka.
one thought.
Anna Hazare is not talking about Karnataka.
These
He's
are
talking
all
about the
elephants
black
you're
money
going to
stashed
bed
in the
with.
Swiss bank accounts. It is your agenda that is different. But the situation here is the country is upset about corruption. the issues are dear to the common man. When on one side 37 crore people are being made to live below 20 rupees, what Baba says is going to reach the masses.
Well,
And,
you know, there is
your argument on the other side will not work. Any political
why don't
argument
you?
will
Now,
not
my question-
work.
my
The
question-
answerability rests with the government.
My question to the cynics tonight on the panel is this: Sohail Seth, Vineet Narayan, and to you, Sampath, my cynic to the cynics. I'm sorry for calling
I'm
you
not a
cynics.
cynic. I'm
No,
a
you're not a
realist.
cynic, but let me anyway.
I'm a realist.
You're a cynic about
I'm
Baba
not a cynic.
Ramdev.
I'm a realist.
You're a cynic about Baba Ramdev.
Huh?
You are a cynic about
No,
Baba
I'm not at
Ramdev.
all. See, you've got the whole message.
Now the
wrong,
question
or
is
no.
this.
I'm not even talking about
you-
individuals, my friend.
you have got
I'm
the right
saying
word
if
on
this
now.
is the process. I'm saying if this is the
Question is this.
mechanism
Take
of
the
bringing
question.
about social change, it will be individual rather than issue driven.
Take
it
the
was
question.
unfortunate that people slandered the Bhushans or Anna Hazare ji,
Yeah,
or
that's the
today
po-
on
now, that's
Twitter
what-
people are slandering Ramdev, saying he's got a private island and all. You will then obfuscate the issue with the individual and you will never have a long-term enduring solution. Never go to
The
bed with
issue
an
has been
elephant. You'll
replaced
never
by
know
the
when
individual
that
now.
will
It's
be
no
over.
longer the issue we are talking about.
But you see, you're saying the issue has been replaced by the individual. Well, there could be some people who will
It
say
is.
that here was a great movement, it had built up. The government got insecure and some people got insecure. They tried to discredit the movement. They tried to divide the movement. They thought that by propping
think
up
the government
Ramdev,
is
they would
insecure.
divide the movement. It can actually have the contrary effect. If Ramdev and this team, which Kiran Bedi is a part of, begin to work together, then the whole process by which the government, sent its ministers to the airport is going to come back to haunt them because the movement could get strengthened.
I'll tell you why.
Baba Ramdev
Arnav,
joining in, not get
Arnav,
weakened.
Is it about one up?
I'll tell you why that's not going to happen. It's not going to happen because if that was the case, what was the urgency to start off on this black money fast right now? I mean, on June 4th, what is the urgency?
Correct.
Anna Hazare and the other representatives on the local panel are not opposed to campaigning against
Okay.
black money. I mean, what is it? What was the need to do it now?
Okay, gentlemen, I have
In
to
fact,
just.
Arnav, I think what Annaji did was a bottom-up
Arnav,
movement.
Arnav,
The difference is Ramdev
Arnav.
is doing a top-down movement,
Okay.
and both are polarizing
Mr.
people,
Rudy,
which is
Arnav.
not good for any democracy.
Mr. Rudy,
Arnav, my last word, we can be in a stage of denial, but the fact remains a stage has been set, and even the similar situation had arisen in 74 when Jayaprakash had raised his voice as an individual against corruption and anarchy. There is a situation, the country is going for a major change and upheaval, and we cannot stop it even if we have to debate it the way that we want to
okay.
debate
Now,
it
Kiran
as
Bedi,
a
question
larger
to you is
protagonists of
Kiran,
the
Kiran Bedi.
Arnav,
Okay,
I
Vineet
want to
Narayan,
make a
then
point.
Kiran Bedi as the last one.
Arnav,
Yes.
Yeah, I fully agree with Rajiv on this point. I think we need more mature debate. There should not be a hurry to achieve things in the manner they are doing now. There has to be intellectual input about the issue of corruption, which is not seen today. I mean, people are making emotional appeals. I think it needs more serious discussion, serious understanding. Yes, the tempo should be maintained, and all civil society members should come together and continue to put pressure upon political class as such, but we also should have dialogue with political class. We
Okay.
should not condemn political class completely because we have achieved every
Kiran
change through
Bedi.
political process.
Kiran
I
Bedi.
think there is
Kiran-
a need to have patience, objectivity, intellectual depth and understanding of the political
Kiran Bedi, last question. When Anna Hazare was on fast, then Baba Ramdev came and supported him on the stage. When Baba Ramdev is on fast, will Anna Hazare come and support him on the stage, or will he remain
What is
away from Delhi?
As I told you,
This is not
as
the
I've
Ram Leela.
just returned after meeting Baba, can I speak without interruption? I have not interrupted
I'm not
anybody.
interrupting you. Yes.
We've just come back, Arvind Kejriwal and myself, after meeting Baba Ramdev. We've updated him on what's going on. Anna and he are in contact,
Okay.
and they will take a view and they'll take a call tomorrow.
On whether they will appear together.
And yes, that's what I'm saying. What Anna will say or what Baba says, this is their prerogative. All I'm saying is they will take a call tomorrow because both of them have raised a similar issue, which is against corruption. One through black money route, the other through legal system to be in place. And they will take a call tomorrow.
And we do believe the issue is always bigger than the individual. Kiran Bedi, thank you. Sohail, Kiran, Mr. Sampath, Vineet Narayan and Rajiv Rudy, we agree to disagree and let's see where this movement goes. Thank you very much indeed.